Now that we got all our egg cartons ready, all nice and colorful, we can start playing. I got over here, for example, some beans, some numbers, and my egg cartons. And I'm gonna put the beans inside the cartons, for example. I'm gonna start with this one. 1, 2, 3. This was 3. Let me see where's number 3. There it is. 3. Let's see. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 4. Where is 4? Where is it? There it is. Now I'm gonna do 1. Very good. That was 1. Will it fit? No. Oh, look what I can do. We'll put this 1 together with the 3. It looks the same as 4. You see, the 3 and 1 makes the same as 4. Wow, look at that.